This is my single turbo BMW 335i exhaust setup. So I do have a VRSF downpipe that goes all the way, no resonators, no mufflers, all the way down to my VRSF muffler delete, and it's a 3.5-inch muffler delete from VRSF. It's a stock exhaust. Everything is stock. I just removed the resonators and removed the mufflers, and I got the VRSF 3.5-inch muffler delete, and I got a VRSF downpipe. I usually don't like keeping the stock piping off of the muffler because they just don't really sound that good. They sound a little raspy, and it's not the best quality of exhaust. So I just decided to get the VRSF one because I think that one personally just sounds way better than just any other pipe you can get from like a shop or anything. Usually 335i sound like kind of like Hondas so I didn't really like that. I wanted to get a really dialed in exhaust, and I've heard the VRSF exhaust, the muffler delete, is very good. I've heard reviews, I've heard videos. I have some friends who have the same exhaust as me as well. So, and I prefer this, and I have an N55, and it sounds pretty good. Here are some clips. And it's not as hard as you think it might be to mount this exhaust up. So let me show you guys how I got it. You just simply cut off the two mufflers, and from those 2 points right there, you just get 2 clamps, and you can clamp on the muffler delete separately. And yeah, it doesn't really take that much effort, and you use everything that's stock with the muffler. You just got to clamp on the 2 pipes right here, and you have your muffler delete right here. So, and you can choose to have it poke out. I have it poking out not even an inch. You can see the VRSF logo right there. Looks pretty good. It's aluminum, so it looks pretty good too. I have no cats, no resonators, and no mufflers. I just have the VRSF muffler delete, and I think that sounds pretty good in my opinion. So, and if you guys really want your car to sound good, I would recommend getting an actual exhaust that goes to your car. You know, I had my 328 before, and people like to just go take their car to some shop and have them use just some random pipe laying around to make their exhaust. And I was like, I did that for my 328. I didn't want to do that for this car. I actually got the parts that go to this car to make it sound the way I want it to sound. And if you take the time and spend a little more money than you spend a little more time than instead of getting a cheap job done on your car, it'll come out way better. People will actually ask you about it. Like, I've got plenty of people on my Instagram, DM me on YouTube, my comments asking me about my exhaust in person. They say it sounds amazing, and I'm like, that's probably why, because I spent the money to get an actual exhaust for the car to make it sound the way I want it to sound. And when you get a good exhaust, it makes your car just sound so exotic, man. And just the idle just sounds really good on this car. Like, this is just, excuse me about that, but when it's like clean, that metal is like actually clear of the dirt, it looks very well. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good.